that while you say that populism and populistic leads to growth, somehow this seems to have a duality in it. When it comes to central government schemes, like
Yes.
the one for Kisans, which was giving
Yes.
rupees 6,000 a year for them, which the
Yeah.
central government had initiated in February 2019, the Modi
Right.
government accuses the Mamata government of non-implementation of these schemes. Now,
Yes.
what is the explanation for that? On one side, you say we welcome it, but when it comes from the central government, because it is the Modi government there, you all don't welcome it at all.
No, just before going on to this scheme,
Right.
on the central government issue, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao was a big project of the central government, right? Clap, clap. Now, by that time, our Kanyashri has already come into place. Do you know how much it has spent? We have spent 9,000 crores on the Kanyashri program. All of India's central government has spent 523 crores. And what is most dangerous is 78.91%, almost 80% of the money has gone into advertising. Advertising whose face? So you allocate 500 and entire sum, 80%, you just do advertising. Do you know that the research shows only 5% has gone to education? Now, why is that so? I challenge the central government. 9,000 crores against your 5,500 crores, which all of it, 80% goes into advertising. For one man, for one prime minister. So when you give you schemes to the states, which state is already doing. We introduced the health scheme, insurance scheme much before the center. And some people are saying that they have copied our scheme. Today we are providing 100% help from health insurance for every citizen of Bengal without taking 1 paisa from the center. And it's the same 5 lakh rupees which you get compensated. You've got a card now, which is a cashless card and completely digital. We don't need that central scheme. Same for the Kisan. We have got 6,000 rupees we are giving to the farmers. Now, ultimately, Mamata Banerjee, after Prime Minister talked to her, she said, okay, I will take the Kisan one. To this day, there's been no movement. And had we taken it from the beginning, God knows what would have happened. So there is a propaganda element in this, where you will not believe the insurance given originally by the center, those who are receiving it were getting a picture of Mr. Modi in the receipt. Now this is absolutely, ridiculous. The whole propaganda machinery is the singular focus, not the scheme. And I've given you a live example of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. It's a farce.
But Dr. Mitra, if you look at this, right, your farmers, you say you have a better scheme than what the center is doing. The center didn't say replace that scheme. It said, here's an additional 6,000 rupees that your farmers can get. How does it matter, whether it's named PM Kisan or whatever you all call it?
It doesn't matter.
Right? So why don't you all accept that rather than...
We have accepted the farmers one that you're saying. To this day, we've got nothing. But we are persisting in what the scheme we have given. They are very happy with it. As far as health insurance is concerned, ours is older. Ours has a digitized card. It is cashless and exactly the same scheme, better in quality and better in digitization.
Okay.
So this is a myth that is being propagated.